living in the Midwest, knowing that it's going to be a gorgeous 70-something degree day, if you're going to start riding early in the morning, it sucks because you're going to get hit with like 50s or 60s as far as the temperature. And when you're going about 55, 60 miles an hour, that gets cold real quick, even with leather gloves. So I figured, what the heck? I think on the wish list, let's go ahead and add in heated grips. I never thought I'd be the guy to have those, but yeah, heated grips it is. $72 degrees, 74 degree forecast in the Chicagoland area means cold in the morning if you're actually riding to work. So I don't care what kind of leather gloves you have, it's going to be a little freezy on the fingers. So Mark went ahead and did a thing, and we're going to go ahead and install them. Mark's right now, you know, the mechanical thing to do. He's reading the manual.
Instructions.
Because that's what mechanics do. So you're doing the left side first?
Correct.
Which ones are you taking out first?
These.
What size is that?
3/16.
Is that the standard one, or is that because of the cup holder? I don't remember.
That's
I did that one.
because of the cup holder.
So it's we don't know what the stock size is?
Probably the same as what's here. That is a T27.
So you're moving those, and what other screws you have to pop out?
There's one in the back here. It's kind of hidden by the mirror stem here. So.
All right. And then it pops out.
And then it.
All right, do your thing.
Disassembles. Oh, hey, look, they make it easy.
So that just hangs. I remember that.
And then one down here. Fun. If it can stay on. There's got to be a secret to this. There we go.
What was the secret? Nothing.
Maneuvering it somehow.
So I think that plug goes there.
Yep.
Okay.
There we go. Ta-da! Well, that was easy.
Yep. How do you make sure it's straight?
The notch will line up with this large notch. Just kind of feed it through. And it just kind of sits in there, and it can't twist.
Should you plug the heated part now?
It's got to go through the bar around.
Ta-da! And that plugs in.
Ta-da! All right.
Well, this is the heated one.
Yep.
Okay. And of course, don't tighten it. In there. Done. And because you're not doing it super tight, so we have to try it. Right?
Yeah. This is just the cover anyways for the grip. This is what actually clamps to the bar and tightens it from any movement.
Gotcha.
Alright. So these are T27. I think I mentioned that earlier.
The same thing, kind of just dangles.
Yep.
Ooh, that makes me nervous. Hey, you know what? Where's that towel?
Protection.
Yeah, thank you. So between both of them, what's the difference? Just that the throttle, but the screws are the same?
Yeah. And then obviously you've got the...
Well, the control's going to be different in the back.
Oh, there's an actual...
Yeah, that's the clip I was talking about. That pops. Yeah, that comes off.
Because on the other side you've got the light switch that's in this housing. It's got a hole in the cover. So this one you don't have to maneuver it to...
Oh, okay.
Get it past that or anything. I think I turned the bike on.
I pulled the fuse.
I know.
Pull the main fuse. So what cables show? Which ones did you unplug from where?
I unplugged the bottom and then this larger one.
So this
one
and this.
And this one.
And
Yep.
the grip's gonna go in here.
Yes.
Got it. So you see where the throttle? Yeah, so this is the throttle. Yep, see how it catches? So on the other handlebars, you would have a tube, right?
Stick out the end.
The electronic throttle,
Yeah.
right? So it'd be like...
This is the same thing, electronic, but it's just a different sensor that they make.
Right, so it used to be in the tube, and you have to run the cable, and then the grips would have like a teeth that used to grab on the edge of it.
Yep.
So if you throttle, grab it. But now, as he walks away, I'm trying to show you guys. You want to come back here, you jackhole? So on this one, it grabs this. I don't know if you can see it good. And then throttle. That's the throttle. So this right here, this little piece replaced the tube that the previous models had.
Yes.
I think it's very cool. Because when we did the bar, remember when you were doing the bar for the street glide? Things sucked. This would have been fantastic. So why are you bending that?
I'm creating kind of like a little hook so that way when I put it through the tube, instead of having to take like wire and fish it and...
Now that wire that you're hooking, that's to the heated grip.
That's the heated grip.
Okay.
Yeah, I was wondering what that hole was for, but it's for that.
For the what?
For this.
The lock?
Yeah.
Open.
It just seemed like it was...
Just when we're ready to tighten it, then... Is it locking when you... Just we'll put the bolts in, we'll see. Kahunas. It sounds like I'm saying cojones. It's not. No. It looks really nice. So, little button here. And as you saw earlier, we'll show on there which setting it is. Okay, sweet. There's logic for you and wisdom. Install heated grips on a day that's 89 degrees outside and we're sweating. That's smart. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see what I got next to post. Catch you guys later. God bless. You know, there's probably people watching this video like, get tweezers. Get needle nose.
If we had it, we would.
We don't have needle nose? Mike, we have needle nose.
I'm not talking about your nose hairs.
No, we have needle nose, stupid.
Okay, look.
Oh my gosh. I'm actually 23 years old. These gray hairs is this guy.
So these are T27. I think I mentioned that earlier.
That's all right. What size is it?
T27. Probably mentioned it 5 more times.
What size is it?
T27.
What size is it?
T27.
Say it real fast.
T27.
You sound like a pervert, don't you?
Tools. Wrenches.
You getting turned on, are you, sicko?
No comment.
All right, you know how it goes. Subscribe, like, share, whatever, you know, little thingy. That made no sense. A little thingy.
A little thingy?
Pull the main fuse. Oh.
Good thing we had the towel there.
What? Oh, it fell?
It fell.
Oh. Dang it, Mark.